Everybody, it's Dave with AVI-SPL. Today we have a very special guest. We have Lenovo. We have Kristie from Lenovo. She is the North American channel lead for smart collaboration. It's a lot of words there. But before you get started, let's talk a little bit about Lenovo. Everybody knows Lenovo brand. Probably first thing comes to your mind is laptops. You guys are the number one global leader for laptops. But what people may not realize is that in North America, you guys are the number one Windows-based Teams meeting room solution that's out there. A lot of people don't think of Lenovo in that way, but you guys really play in almost any kind of meeting room setup there is, huddle spaces all the way to large spaces. Can you tell us a little bit about kind of the solutions that fit in each of those areas and kind of what you're able to offer right now?
Yep, thank you very much, Dave, and happy to be here. So Lenovo's been in this space for about 10 years now. Again, a lot of people don't know, they think of laptops for Lenovo, but we do offer primarily Windows-based solutions in the conference room, and we do cover everything from the huddle space all the way up to the large integrated room. So if you're a large integrated room and maybe you've got some equipment but you want to standardize on a Teams or a Zoom room, we would sell the equipment that allows you to do that, which would be our core computer and controller to now integrate with the speakers and ceiling mics and cameras that you already have in place and turn this into a Teams Zoom room. We also have turnkey solutions, so turnkey solutions for huddle spaces. We've got our Windows-based all-in-one bar. It's even got a little clock on the corner. Super easy turnkey solution for Teams or Zoom. The compute, different than the Android buys that are out there, the compute, and it's a Windows-based solution for those customers that love Windows. It's built into the bar itself, and you just have a controller. Windows obviously gets the new rollouts from Microsoft
Features
Teams
quicker.
And features, and Android's a little bit behind. We also have medium turnkey solutions. We've got our Bar 180 full room kit. AI is built into the camera, 180-degree horizontal field of view, ready to go for those rooms. And we also have a partnership with Huddly, where it's Lenovo SKUs. You come to Lenovo, it's Lenovo for the full solution that covers small, medium, and large rooms.
That's great. One of the things you brought up during the call, which I thought was really valuable, is people should be looking at what they need right now, but also thinking about what they need 5 years from now, right? And like, we know in the past 5 years, the shift in compute power has been dramatic, right? It's just sucking everyone's power up. So when you're thinking, the solution you have right now that you're looking at, is that going to still be effective in 5 years when everything is super AI or whatever it's going to be? You guys have kind of thought about that, and you're building those solutions for the future, right?
Absolutely. I mean, if you think about 5 years ago where we were in a conference room and where we are today, and now with AI, which we know is just going to go crazy taking off in that space, where are we going to be in 5 years? And people are looking at solutions, like you mentioned, that will take you to 5 years at least down the road. And so with our core compute, and again, that's the beauty of a Windows-based solution, we offer a U5, Ultra processor U5, and a U7, 17 gigs and 32 gigs. And it's got all the power in there to be able to support not only what we have today in AI, but also what's coming in the future for AI.
That's fantastic. Now, that was pretty revolutionary to hear about all the stuff you guys do in video conferencing, but you guys play outside of video conferencing as well, right? There's a lot of collaboration you guys do outside of that. Can you tell us a little bit about those?
Yes, and there is a lot, and people aren't even aware even when they think of the laptop. And we know today, especially today, collaboration is more than what takes place in the conference space. So we've got solutions for the remote workers, the road warriors, digital signage type solutions, OEM solutions for customers that need kiosk or hospitality that has a specific need, or healthcare that has a specific need. We've got data centers. I mean, really, you name it, and we have what's needed to support not only in the collaboration realm, which is outside and inside the conference space, but also in other areas of how we all communicate.
Yeah, and you're a massive brand. We're very excited to be working with you guys. You guys offer a lot to the table. It's great to have a support team for our team. So if you guys are looking for either new room solutions to kind of rebuild an existing room solution based on your existing standards, or you're just looking for gear for your team. Maybe you have a smaller team and you don't need thousands of units, but you need something to help your road warrior salespeople kind of be effective and more productive on the road. Lenovo has options for all of those. So Kristie, thank you so much for coming in today. It's great to see all the products. If you have any questions about this stuff or you need a quote, contact our team today. We're here to help you guys. Thanks a lot.